Early Polynesian ancestors lived a seafaring life made possible by Tā'u. They sailed the ocean by reading the rising stars and navigated journeys by watching the different waves. A skillfully crafted ba'a is essential to the way of life. It allowed for fishing to feed a family and journeys and voyages to explore more islands for resources. This way of life passed from generation to generation and has allowed for the settlement of all the islands of Polynesia. Ladies and gentlemen, Madison Riese, number 238.